Good day to you. My name is Mike Addison, and I'm representing Addsure FSP 15269. Okay, so today we're having a quick look at the schedule of replacement values and how to reflect an EUA, an exclusive use area, swimming pool, just as an example. Can be other areas as well. For example, a solar panel on an exclusive use area, but for today, just a swimming pool. Okay, remember, an exclusive use area is common property. That's point one. Always remember, golden rule, exclusive use area, although somebody has exclusive use, is still common property. That means that that item is owned by all of the owners. It's just that one particular owner or so have exclusive use to that asset. Now, swimming pool, if it's built on common property, it's a common property swimming pool. You cannot show it as an additional sum on the person's section, okay, because you would be skewing that owner's unit sum insured, when that swimming pool, strictly speaking, belongs to all of the owners. So you need to show it as common property. What we do is we show it as a separate line item in the summary at the top of the schedule of replacement values, and then we reflect a schedule at the bottom so that you can see that it's properly insured and that a recovery for its cost can be made. But it's very important, not an additional sum, but rather a common property line item. Thank you.